We've got a local breaking news alert. A Camden County corrections officer seen punching an inmate on this video in March was arrested today. Jacoby Anderson was booked on charges of simple battery and violation of oath by public officer. We learned he was released after posting a $1,500 bond. Also out of Camden County, an update to a story the News for Jack's I-Team first told you about in November. 3 other Camden County law enforcement officers have now been indicted on charges related to the beating of an inmate that was caught on camera as well. I-Team investigator Ann Maxwell has been following this story and breaks down these charges. Ann?
Yeah, Tarek, it was back in September when that incident of an inmate being beaten at the Camden County Detention Center was caught on video, but the public didn't know about it until 2 months later. That's when the Brunswick District Attorney requested the Georgia Bureau of Investigation look into the incident. Wednesday, Deputy Ryan Beagle and detention officers Mason Garrick and Braxton Massey were indicted by a Camden County grand jury on charges of battery, simple battery, and 2 counts each of violation of oath by a public officer. This is the video that started it all. 3 of the law enforcement officers were arrested in November after attorneys for Jarrett Hobbs, who's the inmate you see here, released the video. In it, you can see Hobbs picking something off the bench in a jail cell when deputies enter and restrain him before striking his head repeatedly. A second video released by Hobbs' lawyer shows the struggle continuing into the hallway where Hobbs is forced to the ground and restrained. Hobbs initially was hit with 10 additional charges because of this incident, but once the videos were made public, those charges were dropped, along with the charges that landed him in jail in the first place. Brunswick District Attorney Keith Higgins released a statement about the officers' indictments today, saying, "Peace officers have great power over those who are in their custody and control. We trust our officers to responsibly exercise their power and properly treat the people who are being detained. When our trust is broken by the excessive use of force, the officers must be held accountable. No one is above the law. Those who enforce the law cannot be allowed to break it." Hobbs' attorneys also released a statement today saying this indictment further demonstrates that the people will not tolerate this kind of abuse just because the abusers wear a badge. That being said, let's be clear. The culture of violence and corruption at this detention center and the Camden County Sheriff's Office do not begin or end with these officers or the beating that occurred on September 3rd, 2022. It goes on to call out Camden County Sheriff, the sheriff by name, saying he tried to sweep this incident under the rug. The sheriff's office has not immediately returned our request for comment. As for the indicted deputies, the battery charges are misdemeanors. If convicted, they could face up to 12 months in jail on those charges. The violation of oath charges are felonies with the possible punishment of 1 to 5 years in prison. Stacy.
Thank you, Ann.